What is the detective work in disease research methods? Imagine trying to solve a mystery where the clues are hidden in a person's medical history, test results, and even how a disease spreads across communities. That's exactly what researchers and doctors do when they investigate diseases. They act like detectives, piecing together information to find out what causes a disease, how it affects people, and what might help treat it. This process is called detective work in disease research. It involves gathering detailed clues from patients, like their symptoms, past illnesses, and test results. Researchers review medical records, talk to patients, and look at patterns to understand what's going on. This helps them decide which tests or investigations are needed next. In clinical research, this detective work has several steps. First, they review initial patient data and referral information to understand the urgency and context. Then, they conduct interviews or assessments to gather more details about symptoms. They work with specialists to choose the right diagnostic tests. After tests are done, they analyze the results and how patients respond to treatments. This helps them form a hypothesis about what might be causing the disease. This approach is similar to deductive research, where scientists start with a general idea or hypothesis based on what they already know. They then look for evidence to support or disprove their idea. For example, if a patient shows certain symptoms, researchers might think it's a specific disease and run tests to confirm it. Epidemiologists, often called disease detectives, extend this work to entire populations. They study when and where diseases spread, looking for risk factors and patterns. Their work is vital during outbreaks, like during the COVID-19 pandemic, to understand how the virus spreads and how to stop it. For patients considering clinical trials or new treatments, understanding this detective work shows how carefully researchers investigate diseases before recommending therapies. It explains why multiple tests and consultations are often needed before a diagnosis is clear or a treatment plan is made. In essence, the detective work in disease research is a systematic process of collecting clues, analyzing data, and forming a clear picture of what's causing the disease. It combines patient information, clinical tests, input from specialists, and population studies to guide diagnosis and treatment. This careful investigation helps ensure that new treatments are based on solid evidence and targeted to the right patients.